What is the meaning of SIM not provisioned error and how to fix it?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to be discussing a common issue many mobile phone users encounter, the SIM not provisioned error. We'll be delving into what it means and, more importantly, how you can fix it.
What does SIM not provisioned mean?
The SIM not provisioned error typically appears when your phone cannot connect to your mobile network provider. This error can arise due to various reasons, such as 1. New SIM card. When you have a new SIM card that's not activated yet. 2. Network issues. If your network provider is experiencing disruptions or outages. 3. Phone switch. If you've recently switched to a new device and transferred your SIM card. 4. SIM card issues. If your SIM card is damaged, not properly inserted, or deactivated.
How can you fix the SIM not provisioned error?
Now that we know what it means, let's move on to how to fix this error. We have multiple approaches you can try. Step 1. Restart your phone. The first thing to try is to restart your phone. This simple step can solve many temporary software glitches and network issues. Step 2. Check SIM card insertion next. Ensure your SIM card is properly inserted. Remove your SIM card, check it for visible damage, then reinsert it carefully. Step 3. Activate your SIM card. If you're using a new SIM card, it might not be activated yet. In this case, you'd need to contact your network provider to activate your SIM. Step 4. Network settings. Reset your phone's network settings. This can be found in your phone's settings menu. However, note that this will erase all network settings, including Wi-Fi passwords. Step 5. Contact your network provider. If none of the above steps work, it's time to get in touch with your network provider. There could be an issue on their end, or your SIM card may have been deactivated. And there you have it. Now, you not only know what SIM not provisioned means, but also how to fix it. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, if the issue persists, don't hesitate to contact your network provider. They should be able to provide a solution. Thanks for watching.